How to automatically translate posts on TikTok. Start out on your profile page. Then, in the top right corner, tap on the little icon with 3 horizontal lines. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Here, scroll down to the Content and Display section. Then, tap on Language. Under the Translations box here, you can see an option that says Always Translate Posts. Go ahead and turn that on. This will automatically translate things like post descriptions, comments, captions, text and videos, stuff like that. The next option down will let you select the language that you want to translate the post to. By default, this will be the same language that your TikTok uses normally, but you can change it. And finally, if you do know multiple languages, you can click on this Do Not Translate thing here and select specific languages that you don't want it to translate from. So for example, if I knew English and Spanish, maybe I'd select the Spanish option. So that way posts that were in Spanish wouldn't get translated, but all the other languages would. That's all there is to it.